This is the video to show you, attempt to show you, how to change the light bulb for the main and dip beam. Now, I'm not going to change my main, my full beam, that's what you call it, but you can get to that from under here. You can feel the rubber, there's like a rubber sock, and then you can feel the clip at the back. So that's the easy one. I'm going to do the tricky one. Right, so here she is. This is the bit we're going to be taking off. So what you've got here under there, if you can see, is one screw and another screw. I've already taken, just because I was curious, there's a screw under here, right there. And I was curious because it was moving too much, so that's kind of off now. And that was why someone had done a sort of khaki bodge job on it. I just wondered why it was. That was an Allen key and a rather new looking one. But obviously that's glue. So that's a bit of a gremlin that I need to sort out. So first job is to locate that screw there. It's kind of tricky holding the camera at the same time, if you can see that. So I'll just do that now. Could do an assistant. So that's that loose. So that. So I've never done this before, so bear with me. You might see I'll go horribly wrong, and it'll cost me a fortune in a new fairing. So I'm going to unscrew this right out, I think. So I'll put this bit on 2 times speed because no one wants to see this. And a man get a bit mad. So it's finger tight now. So I'm just going to try and I'll just put the camera down a sec. Put you down there. I'm hoping this is what it should look like when it's not broken. I'm hoping they're not both broken. Obviously someone's, so that's normal. That's what they normally look like. Phillips. Now I'm going to undo the 2 on the nose fairing at the front, which seems to be quite loose. It's worrying a bit. So that one comes away. This one's fine. I should give these a bit of a squirt before I put them back. Yeah. That's the right one, left one. Stage left. Audience right, and there's the other one. Both different. Both different left screws. Brilliant, brilliant. I love that. I'm taking things to bits. Right, now I should, if I can just angle you upwards. Excuse me. This is now loose. And all of this is loose. So this should, et voila. So that's that bit there. Oh dear, look at that. Okay, that's had a bodge job. Christ, not a bought. Yeah, that's had a bit of, other people have been a bit heavy-handed. That's got some sort of gunk on it. Quite sure what. Obviously, so that's where your screws have come out. Just pop that down there. That's probably worth about £3 or something. Now I should be able to reach down. Quite sure what that wire is. some wiring loom, I can feel the clip. So you see down there, I can't. I can feel down there, and I can feel what seems to be the end or the clip where you plug in your light. So that's what you're left with. You know, you could take. Well, I don't need to. That's how you take your screen off. Fit an aftermarket one, and I guess I don't know how you get them off. Maybe by that, and that would loosen that off. I'm not sure. This juncture. I don't really want to take all this out, yeah, because I'm not really sure how to do it. I don't know what you'd have to unclip to get this out. You think you'd have to take that bit of fairing off. You pretty much have to take all the bloody fairing off. It's a bit of a faff. Right, I'm going to have a fiddle about, so to speak, and see. So it looks a bit more professional rather than me going, I don't know what to do. I've got the light bulbs ready. They're H7477. Got them from Amazon, about £6.50 for two. Obviously you can pay more for LED. I'm not a massive fan of LED, so I got the halogen ones. And yeah, it's part 2 to follow while I've messed about.